Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uthi iNingizimu Afrika izohlomula kakhulu ngokusebenzisana nesikhungo iCOVAX ekusabaleliseni umgomo wobhubhane lwesifo iCovid-19.
COVAX facility was that for countries that are either low income or those that would have a challenge in financing themselves, they would have the safety of volumes where a COVAX facility would buy on behalf of many countries, and therefore they will be able to negotiate better prices at that level.
Ize uthi angeke nhlobo kumbe eqolo ukuthola lo mgomo.
With the different structures of oversight at that level. And secondly, we have to obviously put in track and track system. We have to also put up what we call an electronic registration system that will be able to record a central database so we know who's been already given.
Uzama ngakho konke okusemandleni ukugwema inkohlakalo kanye nokungahanjiswa ngendlela kwezinto.
They're really working under pressure. We really think that everything would need to be done, to invest in the awareness of our community so that they also assist in picking up areas where there might be people who are involved in the theft of the stock and any kind of irregularity.
Umkhize uthi abantu bangakhathazeki bazokwaziswa ngakho konke okwenzekayo.
Because informed as whatever new developments may well be. But, in the process of informing the public, it's not always possible to meet the approval of everyone.
Umnyango uthi ukugonywa kwabantu kuzokwenziwa izigaba ezintathu kanti kusatshalaliswa kwalomgomo kuzoqalwa ngoMbasa nonyaka. Izisebenzi zezempilo izona ezoqala izigonywe kulandele labo abenezifo ezingamahlala khona bese kuba yilabo abenza imisebenzi emqoka kanye nalabo abaneminyaka engaphezulu kwengamashumi ayisithupha ubudala. NginguCalvin Dludla wezindaba zeSABC.